Hey, this is Asani Beauty, and in this video, I will be giving 5 tips on how to maintain your makeup during the summer months. If you're interested, keep on watching. Before applying any makeup, I suggest that you use a cleanser and toner followed by a serum and moisturizer. You can do whatever works for you. However, I like to use the Artistry Hydra V skincare system along with Advanced Vitamin C plus HA. This daily skin routine helps to cleanse, defend, and moisturize my skin to achieve a more polished look. After your daily skin routine, it's best to use a primer to help reduce and diminish humidity and control and reduce oil. I like to use the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer around my nostrils and Cupid's bow because that's where I oil the most. Now that you've primed the skin, the next step is to use a foundation that has skin protecting benefits such as SPF and hyaluronic acid. I like to use Artistry Exact Fit, MAC Studio Sculpt, and the BH Cosmetic Matte Finish Press Powder. Those are my top 3 foundations to go to during the summer. Then I like to use a setting powder in the areas that I apply concealer. My go-to setting powder is by Sacha Buttercup. The last thing I'm going to do is apply a powder foundation over the areas that I apply liquid foundation. I like to use the BH Cosmetics Matte Fixed Foundation Powder. By using these 3 techniques, I'm going to extend my foundation throughout the workday. The final step in maintaining your makeup is to skip the setting spray. During the summer months, once the humidity hits your face, the powder is going to absorb the moisture and give you the same effect as if you were using a setting spray. And there you have it. Those are my 5 tips on how to maintain your makeup during the summer months. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you don't do anything else today, stay beautiful and love one another. Mwah!